Alex, thanks for joining us here. If you just want to first off introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about trial plots.
Great. I'm Alex Nichols from Corteva Agriscience. I'm here at our cereals plots. We're delighted to be back at cereals. We'll be demonstrating our new fungicide Univoq for winter wheat and also our PT303 hybrid oilseed rape variety.
You mentioned that it's the Univoq fungicide. Can you give us a little bit of detail about the development of that and what it's aiming to do?
Yeah, sure. So Univoca, it's a new active ingredient in there. Unitrek is what we call the active in there, together with prothioconazole, an established fungicide. Unitrek, it's the first new active ingredient for Septoria control in the past 15 years. We had a soft launch of it in 2021. It was very well received by farmers and growers, and yeah, we're demonstrating it again. It'll be applied at the T2 timing, and yeah, it's an absolutely great product, providing Septoria and other diseases of winter wheat control.
So by the time cereals comes around in June, people will be able to see how the application has gone and the kind of response of it.
Yes, yeah. I mean, looking in the plots, there's Septoria inoculum there. We've had rainfall, so it's very likely that it will move up through the plants and give something visible. So we'll be looking forward to showing that.
And you mentioned there was a couple of new varieties here on the trial plot as well.
Yes, our main flagship variety that we're talking about is PT303. This is our newest oilseed rape hybrid variety. It's top of the recommended list for gross output, for yield, as well as having a number of other great agronomic traits. And on top of all of that, as a bonus, it's the first variety with sclerotinia tolerance as well. And sclerotinia can be a real yield-robbing disease at flowering, and our new variety has this unique tolerance trait within it. And we're really pleased to be bringing that to the market. And we know oilseed rapes had a tough few years, but we think our genetics are part of the solution. It's got to the top of the recommended list in some very tough years with cabbage stem flea beetle and tough weather conditions, and in a way that's a testimony to its resilience and what a great variety it is.
It's a very busy plot here. There's a lot to see, a lot for you to show. You've also got the biostimulants portfolio, which you've expanded. Could you tell us a little bit about Utrisha N?
Yeah, so Utrisha N is a new product that we're launching this year. On the stand, you'll be able to come and talk to our team, our experts about it. This is from our biostimulant portfolio. It's based on an endophytic bacterium that actually goes into the plant and actually helps fix atmospheric nitrogen. It's something that's been developed over a number of years, and particularly with nitrogen prices as they are, some of these alternatives have got a real play. But yeah, it's a new bit of technology. It's something different. It's sprayed onto the crop. Typically around this time of year, the bacterium colonizes the plant. It doesn't compromise yield, but it gives this fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the plant.
Very topical thing.
Yeah, absolutely.
And just finally, you're 2 years into the Resilience and Ready program, which we're running with Lee.
Yes, that's it.
It's a 3-year program, so will people be able to find out a little bit about that and the results you've seen?
Yeah, certainly. Yeah, we'll have our whole team will be present, so they'll be very happy to talk about that. It's been a great project for us. We've connected with some really good growers. And what it's given Corteva is a really good understanding of the pressures that arable farmers are under, their needs. And so that's really helped us, and in turn we've helped them with signposting them to various information sources and working with them. So It's been a really rewarding program and something that, once it's completed, we'll look to continue in the future.